Hi, welcome back. So my name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models in a very basic in simple language. So far we have discussed about encoding, decoding, how transformers has uh, level up the game of NLP. So after that, how NLP has progressed. So so the basic thing that NLP can do is sentiment analysis. What is sentiment analysis? You give a text to an AI model and it will classify whether the text is whether the text has positive sentiment or negative sentiment, right? What is the use case is that, for example, any e-commerce website like Amazon, they want to understand that the reviews, like what they are getting for their products, are people writing positively or they are writing negative things about their products. Similarly, if brands want to understand what kind of sentiments people have regarding what kind of uh, tweets they are doing, and if political parties, they want to understand what kind of sentiments people have or are showing on social media. So that's how sentiment analysis is. It's very basic, it simply classifies. So this is how NLP has progressed. Now once NLP has understood the words, the next use case was autocorrect that we use in our WhatsApp, right? And once AI models understood words, the next thing for them is sentences. So once they understood sentences, then the next use case was autocomplete, which we use in Gmail, on Google, on in our Word doc, in Google Doc, right? And then once after that, once they started understanding other languages, the other use case was language translation.